Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. Today I have a haul video for you guys. It's not really an unboxing because I opened all of the packages already, but I wanted to show you guys what I ordered. So I ordered stuff from the BTS x McDonald's merch collab, and then I also ordered something off of Global G Market, which I thought was really cute, but it's all BTS merch, so I figured I would just include it in this video. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to show you guys all of the BTS McDonald's merch, and obviously I had to order it to get the exclusive PCs, but I ordered 4 separate packages. For every order that you put in on Weverse, you would get basically 1 PC. So I put in 4 orders to see what 4 PCs I could get rather than ordering everything in 1 package and then only get 1 PC. I have everything in my cute Jungkook tote bag. So the first thing I got was the baseball cap. It just looks like this. It has the fries with the McDonald's and the BTS logo. I honestly really like this ball cap. I love baseball caps. I think they're super cute, especially when you have kind of a greasier hair day. I don't know, I think it's cute. It's kind of a vibe, you know, just like some cute little fries on your hat. And it's very subtle. Unless you looked really close, you wouldn't know that it's BTS. And then I also ordered this t-shirt. Ordered the t-shirt that the McDonald's crew members got as their work shirts when the BTS meal was available. I ended up not ordering it in my first batch of orders, and then when they did the restock, I ordered those for myself, my mom, and my brother. Those aren't here yet. I think those are probably gonna ship in August. I got this shirt. It just matches the hats. It's just the same little patch, and I think the smallest size that they have in the shirts is a medium. Just like a really oversized tee, I think is super essential. And then they have the BTS logo tag. Here are the tags for it, which these are adorable. This one actually came with a little pouch. This is the pouch. It's a really decent size, and it has all of their names on it. Then BTS x McDonald's on the zipper. I thought it was nice that it was included with the shirt. I ordered the McDonald's umbrella. Literally, an umbrella here is essential. I've had 2 umbrellas already break on me. 3. I've had 3 umbrellas break on me. And this one feels really heavy duty, really good quality. This navy blue color. It's really, really big. I'm hoping that this one will withstand the heavy winds and like the heavy rains during monsoon season. I was honestly the most excited about the umbrella, I can't lie. And then I also got a pair of socks. And I think the only reason I ordered this was to add it into the cart with the umbrella so that I could get the free shipping and the extra PC. These are the logo stripe socks, and I haven't opened these ones yet. These ones are just the white with the purple and yellow stripe, and then they say BTS x McDonald's on them. They're obviously a higher cut. They're not just like ankle socks. And then you have, it looks like they're pie boxes. I think this is freaking adorable. And then the last BTS x McDonald's merch that I ordered was the crew neck. So it's just a gray crew neck. So I got the large because I wanted it to be really oversized. And this is the embroidery on it, BTS McDonald's logo. So this is embroidered. It's really, really nice. This is the logo that was on the t-shirts, but the t-shirts were black, I believe. I'm a sucker for crew necks. And probably for like the only part that you guys actually care about are the McDonald's PCs that I got. I got 4. So the first one I got was actually the OT7 PC. So I still have them in their little sleeves. This is what the OT7 one looks like. Adorable. And then the second one I pulled was Hobie, which I love his hair in this. And then I pulled Jin. And lastly, I pulled Yoongi. Freaking cute. Also, I thought that they like didn't send me my last PC because I opened up the sweater box and I only saw the sweater. Like I could not find the PC at all, and I was like, oh damn, like I just didn't get a PC, like that sucks. I was cleaning up all the boxes and like putting all my stuff away, and Yoongi was literally just like sitting in the middle of my bed. He must have fallen out somehow, and I just like didn't notice, and I screamed because 1 is Yoongi and 2 I like found the PC. But I'm very, very happy with these pulls freaking adorable. As soon as I found out that they were doing the McDonald's PCs, I had to obviously put in orders. So that's what that was. The one random thing that I got off of Global G Market was this RJ Bluetooth mic. We've been talking about getting karaoke mics to use just for fun. We just thought it would be really fun to have a karaoke mic, and I specifically wanted the BT21 mic, but they don't have it at the Line Friends store anymore. I obviously had to get RJ because pink is my favorite color, and I am an RJ stan, but all of the mics are adorable, so I would have been happy with any of them, but I think it just made the most sense for me to get RJ. This is what it looks like. I am obsessed with it. And so you just turn it on. I honestly haven't charged this. I haven't charged this since I got it, and it's been like fully charged. So I don't even know if you can tell that like it's on. I turned the echo off. Here's the echo. Basically, I just like whip this out sometimes when we're all just hanging out in somebody's apartment. We have like music playing, and I just like, you know, use this to amplify my voice. I'm just like that annoying person that just will whip out a microphone just to make their voice even louder, you know, want to carry around a microphone and act like I'm very important. But I'm going to do my outro using this microphone. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love all of the products that I got from the BTS x McDonald's collab. I'm really happy with the PCs. I'm happy with this microphone, obviously. It was nice to just do a little sit down video for you guys. I am happy to be back on YouTube. I'm getting my bearings back, being happy while filming and being happy while editing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.